Mack from Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, reporting live from Times Square, letting you guys know we're thinking about y'all. Any automotive concerns, repairs that you may need, feel free to give us a call at 919-539-7265 or stop by the shop at 816 South 3rd Street, Smithfield, North Carolina. Y'all have a nice day. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to show you a little bit of how we get the content to you all. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, and today we have a 2011 Ford F150 with a 3.7 liter engine in the engine bay. And we're dealing with the drive belts, AC belt, and the alternator and water pump belt. One thing about the air conditioning belt, which is a nice thing to notice, that it is a stretch belt, okay? Meaning, I don't know if this is going to be reversed in the camera or not, but it's a stretch belt, meaning you're going to need to use a special tool to remove it and a special tool to install it. Now, with that being said, the procedure to install the belt on this 2011 Ford F150, the procedure is using a zip tie, and I'm gonna show you how that process is done in this video. Hopefully I can get it done on the first try. I got a customer in the waiting room, so I'm not going to be able to take much time on this video, but like and subscribe, and also comment if you're familiar with these stretch belts. I've seen them on Mazdas, BMWs, Fords, yeah, and a few other, well, Mazdas, Fords, BMW, and that's right off the top of my head. First time I came across it was on a Mazda. Make a special tool for it, and they make a tool for the removal on this one, but to install it, the software specifically says use a zip tie. That is done. Stay tuned. Check it out. This is how I hit. That's a good shot right there. Okay, and how this works, this zip tie is supposed to assist in the installation of the belt here, and hopefully we get it on the first try because I gotta get my customer rolling. Saturday morning. Hope that zip tie works. Get a little tight. It appears to be working. Alright, and that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. That's exactly done. Exactly how it's done. Very neat procedure there. Check your pulley, make sure it's all the way around, and it is. And that's how it's done. And once you get it up there, you cut the zip tie. You could back it off to save it, but I wasted used enough time positioning the cameras throughout the vehicle. That's how it's done. Okay, I hope that video was interesting to you guys. We also have a Facebook page. Go to Facebook and like Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. You also can find us on Instagram at Encore_automotive. And as always, find us here on YouTube, Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. Yeah, basically the stretch belt is designed that way because it does not operate with a tensioner. So basically it's a tight tolerance. Yeah, that's how it's done. It was very interesting to me that, you know, that it's documented to use a zip tie. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Any of y'all do it yourself or mechanics or technicians, hey, chime in and let me know how y'all felt about y'all first time coming across a stretch belt. This was not my first time coming across it, but it was my first time coming across that procedure on how to install it that way, and I thought that was interesting to install things on vehicles. But voila, the zip tie. Check us out, Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, and remember, Encore to the core.